Hello there and welcome to your Scotland forecast from the Met Office. Well, as we go through the next few days, the majority of the rain will be focused across the north and northwest of the country, but certainly not as wet as it was over the weekend here. And for most of us, actually, it's going to be feeling quite warm for the time of year, but it does start to turn a little bit cooler as we go from Wednesday. So back to Monday though, for most of southern and eastern parts of Scotland, it is largely dry with some spells of sunshine. But out towards the west, especially the Western Isles, here it's going to be quite cloudy with some outbreaks of rain. And for Shetland and Orkney here, although it might be dry at times, it's going to be quite murky with some sea fog around. But in the sunshine, especially across Aberdeenshire, we could see highs reaching 21 degrees. So it's above average for the time of year. So Monday evening, we start off initially dry and fine across many parts of southern and eastern Scotland, but out towards the west we've still got this rain, and this becomes a bit more widespread across the country as we go through the small hours of Tuesday morning, and become quite persistent as well across Orkney and down towards the Western Isles with some heavier bursts here too. But look at the temperatures. For most of us, a very mild night for the time of year, actually not falling much lower than 13 or 14 degrees for many of us. So a mild start to the day, but a bit of a grey start for most of us on Tuesday with outbreaks of rain almost anywhere. But it starts to turn drier and brighter across Dumfries and Galloway as we head towards lunchtime, and that will spread across many parts of southern and eastern Scotland as we go through the course of the afternoon. It does stay quite wet and cloudy across the Western Isles, Shetland and Orkney, and again here we could see some heavier bursts of rain. So a disappointing afternoon to come here, but elsewhere after that grey start, a much better afternoon. Plenty of sunshine to come, and in the sunshine once again highs reaching 21 to 22 degrees. That rain band across the north does start to spread a little bit further southeastwards as we go through Tuesday evening. And behind that, it does turn drier, clearer, a few showers, but also cooler. And that cooler air does then sink its way southwards across many parts on Wednesday. So we could see some rain around first thing across Edinburgh, the Glasgow, the central belt, but that should clear southwards as we go through the course of the day. Behind it, brighter and clearer with just a few showers, but note the temperatures, most of us down a good few degrees compared to the last couple of days. If you do want more information about the weather, you can always check us out on our social media channels.